Hi fam! Pasko na naman! It's that time of year again at kita nyo naman po, busy na ang aming family sa pagde-decorate ng aming Christmas tree. Nalalapit na naman po kasi ang pagbabalik ko sa aming taping bubble. Kaya naisipan namin, magsimula na kami mag-decorate ng aming Christmas decorations dito sa bahay at maghanda na rin para naman po sa mga ipadadala namin at share namin sa aming mga family members. Siyempre, yung mga kamag-anak namin, mga kaibigan at makakalimutan ba naman namin kayo? Kasama po kayo sa aming family, di ba? So, samahan niyo po kami.
Tada! We're done decorating!
Great job, fam! Grabe, oh. Parang feeling ko napapakanta ako ng Christmas song.
Wag na. Dad, can we put lights outside para kahit yung mga dumadaan in front of the house, they'll feel na it's Christmas talaga?
Tama, no? Tapos bibili tayo ng puto bongbong, bibingka, tapos meron pa yung mainit na tsokolate at queso de bola. Alam mo, parang lumalamig na nga ang simoy ng hangin. Paskong-Pasko na talaga, no? Ikaw, Alonzo, what does Christmas taste like for you?
Sweet and juicy like ham. We always have ham during Christmas. It's the best.
Yes! You know what, Alonzo? You're right. Parang hindi pa tayo nagpasko ng walang ham. You just gave me an idea. Ayan, welcome po sa aming OG, #Dim's Kitchen, and welcome to the OG, Reina of our kitchen. Ate B, ano ibig sabihin na OG?
Ambot.
Ambot. OG meaning original. Oh, all original. Tignan mo naman ang ganda ni Ate B, oh. Uy, kay hinay-hinay ba? Baka mamaya makakuha ng boyfriend.
Wala nang love life.
Wala na love life, pabulong na. Okay, back to the kitchen tayo. Nako, alam niyo po ba, dito sa aming Dim's Kitchen, we really enjoy preparing meals for the whole family. And of course, dahil we were just talking about what Christmas tastes like for all of us, syempre excited na kami na mag-prepare at mag-share ng aming Christmas love sa aming mga pamilya. And of course, why not send them over our family favorite, the CDO Holiday Ham. Di ba, Ate B? Oh, Ate B, aminin mo, kaya ko ubusin isang buo niyan. Isang buo sa akin, ikaw? Kalate! We want to send over to all our family, friends, mga kamag-anak po namin, mga minamahal namin sa buhay ang aming CDO Holiday Ham and the recipes that we would do with it. Because kahit hindi po kami makakasama or makapagsalo-salo ngayong Pasko, kahit pa paano, pag naipadala namin ito sa kanila, ay mararamdaman po nila ang aming pagmamahal. Kaya naman, let's get right to it. Ate V, ang sama ng tingin mo dun sa Holiday Ham, Ate V, ah.
Parang gusto ko na siyang kainin.
Okay, magluluto muna tayo. Let's prepare. Let's go. Hindi talaga nawawala ang CDO Holiday Ham sa aming Noche Buena at reunions tuwing holiday season. The one and only trusted ham ko to. Kasi sure ako na ito'y 100% premium whole ham. Smoked and simmered in special pineapple glaze. Kaya naman lasap na lasap ang 100% Paskong Sarap. Siguradong sa bawat kagat ng mga padadala namin ito, mapapangiti sila sa sarap. Okay, Ate V, natapos na natin ang ating luto para sa ating CDO Holiday Ham, pang Pasko at pamimigay sa ating mga minamahal sa buhay. Sino bang minamahal mo sa buhay?
Siyempre pamilya.
Wah! Paano na lang ako? Kasama ko?
Pangalawang pamilya.
Wow! Very good, very good. Good answer. Okay, tikman na natin. It's beginning to taste a lot like Christmas.
Sama mo yan.
ready na ang ating CDO Holiday Ham. Aba, ano ba itong ginagawa ng aking pamilya?
While you were preparing the CDO Holiday Ham, Alonzo and I thought that we'd make Christmas gift boxes to put our super delicious ham in. Para it's more personalized, right, ma'am?
Di ba? Creative, di ba? So, alam na natin na manang-mana sa akin yung mga bata. So, creative ako eh.
Okay, sige. Oo na. Ikaw na ang creative, mahal. Sa'yo na nagmana. But I think it's really a fantastic idea that, we are making personalized Christmas gift boxes for our family and our loved ones. Dahil mapapadala din natin yung ating CDO Holiday Ham na paborito natin, di ba? I think dapat kumuha na rin ako ng aking personalized Christmas gift box. Don't you think, Alonzo?
Yes!
Go!
So, Alonzo, who do you want to give your gift box to?
Papa and Nanan and Papa Bong and Mama Love.
Why?
Because I haven't seen them for a while because of coronavirus. And I really miss them a lot. I hope they were having a good one in the house. I hope they tell great jokes, same as mine. And I wish they will celebrate Christmas with us. I wish they can come here right now. We can Zoom online. So I meet online meeting, so that we can tell how cool it is to hang out with them. So yeah, that's who I want to give it to.
So, Dad, ikaw naman, kanino mo ibibigay ang Christmas gift box mo?
Alam mo, feel ko talaga bigyan si Pao. Kasi di ba, I think he deserves this, simple gift box. Lalo na may baby silang bago.
Yeah.
And,
Well, Paulo is our
our
resident
yes,
rider.
Yeah, suki natin na rider yan. He does all the errands for us. So I think well-deserved niya mag-celebrate ng ganitong simple lang pero apakasarap.
May enjoy ng mga bata.
Of course, yes.
So, Ate, who do you want to give your Christmas gift box to?
I think I'm gonna give it to our titos and titas, your siblings, sila Ate Angel, Uncle Bam, Ninong X, maybe Tito Bobet, and their families. Kasi, di ba before we'd always used to bond over foods. I think this is the perfect box to bring that experience to them. Maybe we could also set up a meeting. So yeah, I think it's perfect for that.
So, Ate V, kanino mo naman ibibigay ang iyong Christmas gift box?
Sa pamilya ko,
Miss mo na sila.
oo naman.
Oh, Ate V!
Natutuwa sila. Kahit nandito ako sa Manila, pero pala sa kanila.
Huwag ka umiyak.
Ate V, I'm sure miss ka na rin nila. And ako naman, itong box na ito, na Christmas gift box na ginawa ko, is for the family of Kuya Ray. He is our foreman, but he lives close by. So near yet so far, dahil hindi pa rin tayo talaga super safe magsama-sama ng maramihan. Kaya naman, I hope that they will also feel our love, no, through this Christmas gift box. And yun. Ang galing. Sobrang galing ng mga naisip ninyo na idea na personalized gift box to send out to our families and our friends. And I'm sure marami po sa inyo mga na-inspire dyan dahil tayo talaga mga Pilipino, napaka-madiskarte natin, lalong-lalo na sa pagpapadama ng ating pagmamahal pagdating sa ating pamilya at mga minamahal sa buhay. So, if you were inspired po, just like my family, sobrang excited na namin to give these out and share the love of the Christmas season to our family and our friends. Kung kayo po ay balak nyo rin itong gawin sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay, please do tag us on our social media accounts and I would love to see at makita po at maipadama ninyo ang walang kasing sarap na Pasko. Kaya naman po, salamat for joining us, joining our family, and from our family to yours, maligayang Pasko po mula sa amin at sa CDO Holiday Ham.